Hi, this is Anastasia Pereira and welcome to my channel about makeup. In this video I'm gonna show you how I made this super glowing bridal look on my beautiful model Olga. I wanted to make this look really light and relaxed, so I did a very airy and very even messy wave on her hair, and I start with polishing and cleansing her skin with a toner. I really like this product because it's so delicate and at the same time it works so well with dryness on the skin. It cleanses and polishes the skin, preparing it for further makeup. And you can use it under the eyes as well, which is so important. Now I moisturize her dry lips with this lip balm. By the way, it smells amazing and works really well with dry skin on the lips. And then I prime the skin with MAC serum that gives a lot of hydration to the skin and a beautiful glow from within, and that's what I want. For a really glowing look, I apply MAC Strobe Cream. I usually prefer to make all skin preparation with this flat brush, excluding products with oils, of course. Then I take a blurring primer for the pores and apply a little bit in the center of the face to make them seamless. I use this small flat brush to be really precise and not to apply more than needed. And now it's time for foundation. This foundation is really radiant and at the same time it has a good coverage and stays long. To give it more glow, I added a little bit of liquid highlighter in it. I work with really small quantities of product and layer them one by one if I need more coverage. I guess concealing is her favorite step. She was really waiting for it. And this concealer is really one of my favorite products because it covers the darkness under the eyes and corrects the small rednesses and at the same time blends in a couple of seconds, so it's so easy to apply and blend it. And I will apply a mineral powder in the center of the face because I don't want this area to be shining. Now I go on building up this delicate glow and I apply a glowing radiant powder on the high points of the face, on the cheekbones, on the forehead, on the bridge of the nose and the cupid bow. And then I start applying the radiant bronzer from the same palette and creating some sharper lines on her face with a delicate bronze color. I apply really thin layers of product several times. It takes longer, but the effect is really thin and natural. And then I work through the same lines with my favorite contouring product. This is a more neutral brown powder, and I'm deepening the shadow like this. To fix all the layers on the face, I will spray a little bit of fixing spray on a sponge and press it in the skin like that, so all the layers will be set and additionally blended. Now it's time for brows. Olga has a wonderful natural shape of the brows. They are really beautiful, that's why I take a very light pencil in a blonde color and just fill in empty spots in the brows, not to make them darker. And now it's time to fix the shape with the gel. And as you know, this is my favorite ever gel for the brows, because it works really well and fixes the brows for the whole day. Moving on to the eyes. When I want to have an extra long staying and blendable eye makeup, I always apply this primer before applying eyeshadows. And this is the palette that I'm using today, with a very beautiful, natural and at the same time unusual colors. That's what I need because I want my makeup to look really simple and nude. And I start with this neutral matte color, just applying it all over the upper and lower lids. Next I apply this metallic dusty pink on the center of the upper eyelids and blend them towards the inner corner. And then adding a little bit of the leftovers on the brush to the lower lid. Next I take very sparkling and light eyeshadows just in the middle to create this highlighting accent on the eyes. And with the darker colors I make a soft and blended line along the lash line. Olga has really long and thick lashes, and as our makeup is really neutral, I want to create an additional accent on them. I think it will look really fresh and tender, but at the same time the eyes will be defined. So I start curling the lashes to lift them up, and I will add individual lashes starting from the outer corner of the eye until the middle of the eye. Here I used 10mm and 8mm length. And I applied in total around 8 or 9 lashes on each eye. So this is how the eyes look with the lashes, and now I will apply mascara on them to connect all the lashes together. I'm very used to work with this funny pink tool, even though some people laugh at it or don't understand, but I find it really handy somehow, and I curl the lashes additionally with it after I apply mascara. And by the way, look how much difference the mascara makes. That's incredible, right? So now I finished the second eye, and moving on to slightly and delicately apply mascara on lower lashes. And to finish the look, I will apply this wonderful blush with a little glow in it to balance our glowing look, and I will also apply a little bit on the eyelids to blend the eyeshadow colors together in the outer corner. Well, this step is already something extra. I can call it I just don't want to stop, I want more glow. But I decided to add this really pigmented highlighter on top of everything. So I'm just slightly touching the skin with it and then blend everything with my foundation brush to connect all the layers together again. And once more fixing everything with a sponge with a fixing spray. And finally I apply a very beautiful nude lipstick that matches very well the general tones of the makeup. And actually that's the final look. I think this makeup looks really modern and fresh for a bride, especially with this relaxed and messy texture on the hair. What do you think? Please leave a comment with your opinion, and don't forget to hit a like button and subscribe if you liked this video and you want more content like this. I wish you all a great weekend and see you next week. Ciao, ciao!